record-breaking car releases will blow your mind. In the old days, you kicked your car, and it worked. Now, it's like rebooting a computer. 2024 has been a record-breaking year for the car industry, with more new models rolling out than we've seen in years. And the year isn't even over. From electric to gas-powered, car makers are in a race to flood the market with cutting-edge designs. Let's start with Tesla's Cybertruck, finally hitting the roads with its futuristic look. But Ford isn't staying quiet, releasing the F-150 Lightning, an electric truck that's changing the game. GM follows up with a luxurious, tech-heavy Cadillac Escalade, proving gas-powered vehicles still have punch. Europe's heavy hitters like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes have joined the frenzy with sleek electric models, showing off their mix of power, efficiency, and style. Every week, a new electric vehicle drops, promising longer range, faster charging, and more tech than ever before. We've come a long way from the Ford Model T. Cars now park themselves, drive autonomously, and connect to everything. With so many models already released, 2024 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years in automotive history. And the road ahead promises even more surprises.